news from my realtor that my offer was accepted. Today is closing day. Today is closing day. Hey family, so I just wanted to hop on here and tell you all that I just put in an offer for a property. Y'all know that I invest in real estate, so I'm always on Zillow. I'm always stalking any kind of real estate home listing website, and Zillow seem to be my favorite one. So I'm always on there and I'm always sending properties to my realtor. My realtor has a system where he set me up for properties, of course, but I'm always on there and I'm always sending him properties. So I found this property that I really like. I think it's going to be a good one. I sent it over to him. I told him I wanted to put an offer in, and we did put an offer in, but for this one, we have to wait about I think it's like 3 days, and I hate that. The seller has so many interest in the property. So with all that said, we are now playing the waiting game. If you're wondering why my skin is shiny, I just did some microblading. If you missed my last video, I microbladed my eyebrows, and I'm not allowed to wear any makeup, so except for lip gloss, of course, which is what I have on, but I'm not allowed to wear any makeup. So we're going barefaced for the next few days, and I'm gonna be filming the next few days, so there we go. But the skin is skinning, okay? My skincare routine has been, I've been trying my best, and I can see some results, but that's not why we're here today. I'm just letting you all know that I put in the offer for this property. My fingers are crossed, and I'm waiting to see if we got accepted. Hey family, today is day 2 of waiting to hear back. I'm very anxious. I'm very anxious. I want to know what's going to happen. I want to know if we're going to get accepted. Let me go ahead and sit down. I am very anxious, y'all. This has been a process, okay? It's not as easy as anybody makes it. It's not even as easy as I'm gonna make it look in this video, because I'm just like cutting from putting in an offer and hopefully working my way towards getting my offer accepted. It's not that easy, y'all. I have looked at multiple properties. I filmed some of them. I didn't film some of them. I left some of them really excited, thinking that I was gonna get it and didn't get it. I got beat out so many times. I got attached to some properties and already had the ideas in my head, and I ended up losing the properties. It's a lot that goes into it. It's not as easy. It's been months of me searching, and there has been times where I found properties that I thought I was gonna win, and I was almost 100% sure that I was gonna win, and I didn't win. And it's discouraging. It's really, it's heartbreaking, right? I've been annoyed. I've been frustrated. I've talked to my realtor about this, and I was just like, I don't know what to do anymore. I've put in so many offers for so many properties, and it's just not, I don't know what else to do. Like, I don't know how perfect my offers have to be anymore. And I just, it's hard. It's hard. So that's just the nature of the game right now. The housing market is crazy. Investors know that the housing market is on fire, so they're grabbing all the properties if they can. First-time home buyers are bidding, like they're putting the home prices up because they really want homes, because it's hard to get a home. It's crazy out here. So you can only put in your offer and cross your fingers. Like I said, today is day 2. We have one more day before we can find out if we won the bid or not. I'm really hoping I get this one. I hope I get everyone that I've ever put an offer on, but this one I really like because it has so much potential, and it's a kind of property that I want to try something new with, if you know what I'm talking about. Again, I'm going to tell you all the details if I do get it. I have a new idea for this new property, and I want to explore something, and I want to try something out. I don't know how it's going to turn out, but I want to try something out, and I feel like this property is going to be a good one to do it with. So fingers crossed. Pray for me, say a prayer for me so that I can get this one and, share the journey of trying something new with my real estate portfolio. You are going to find properties that you swear is yours. Like, you just walk in and say, okay, this is it. This is my property. And everything points to that. And then you put in your offer, you wait, and then you don't get the property. That's the game, especially now with the market. Everyone wants to buy, especially investors. Investors are buying the properties properties up cash and just sitting on them because the market is blowing up. Everywhere you go, Atlanta, Columbus, Ohio, Houston, everywhere, like the housing market is crazy. So there is a lot of competition. Your offer has to be it has to be perfect for them to accept it. It has to sound really good to the seller for them to accept it. So as I said, I've gone through a lot of properties. I've put in a lot of offers, and all you can do is it's like gambling, not really, but it's like you have to be in it to win it. So all you do is put in your offer, cross your fingers, and hope for the best. I just got news from my realtor that my offer was accepted. We won. Family, we won by a margin. This means that, let's say I offered $1, the person right before us, or like the person who almost won, offered 99 cents. So by this much, we won by this much. We won. I don't care how we won. We won. Okay, so now I have to go do my due diligence. That means inspection, appraisal, make sure the credit is good, make sure all of that stuff is good, and then we'll go to closing. All right, family. So I just got home from my inspection. Everything went well. I'm going to show you all a full video of all of the stuff that I've cut up so far. I guess today's video is just like more explaining what's happening up to the day of closing, but I'm going to have actual footage of all of this, which means I'm going to take you to the house. I'm going to show you some of the inspection that happened. I'm going to show you the walkthrough, the final walkthrough, the closing table. I'm going to show you all of that. But today's video is just to tell you what's happening and how I got to the closing table. Okay, so inspection is done. Everything looks good as far as the house goes. This is going to be a complete renovation. I've done one before, but this is going to be even more intense. The property is not worse than the last one we just did, but this is going to be more detailed. I'm going to show you more details, and I'll share everything with you all. This home is going to be a project. It's going to be a full renovation. I already have my contractors in place. I already have an idea of what I want to do with this place, and I'm going to be sharing every single thing with you all. The design, the renovation, the finished product, and what I'm going to do with the property afterwards. This one is going to be a little different, so stick around to see what I'm going to do with it. All right. Oh my God, this is crazy. This is going to be my third real estate transaction this year. So I sold a property this year. I bought my dream home that you all know about. I feel so blessed. I still feel like I'm living a dream. Honestly, I still feel like I'm living a dream. I'm still learning. I'm learning as I go, and I'm hoping and praying to share with you. Today is closing day. Today is closing day. Today is closing day. Thank you. Thank you very much. Today is closing day, y'all. I am happy. If you can't already tell, my microblade is still healing, so I'm still not allowed to put on a full face of makeup, but it's getting better, and I love everything about it. I love the shape. I love everything, okay? But that's not why we're here. We're here for closing day. Today is closing day, so I have to go do some deposits at the bank. Y'all know the drill. I have to take Nadia to school, go to the bank, come back home, get ready, and we're gonna go to closing. We're gonna go get the keys. So family, we will be getting the keys today, y'all. I'm gonna go sign all of the paperwork. The property will finally be turned over to me. That way I can get all of my contractors, everyone that needs to get in there, get them in there and start the process. I am super excited to be starting another project and sharing it with you all. I hope you learned I hope you learned something from the last one. This one is going to be even more informative because I too have learned a lot from the last one, and I am so happy to be sharing this experience with you all. As I said, I'm gonna post a full video of everything. I'm gonna have videos from the inspection, videos from the walkthrough. I'm finally gonna tell you a lot more about the property, how many bedrooms, how many bathrooms, where is it located. If you watched my Instagram reel, you probably already know where this property is located. And also I'm gonna show you a more detailed video, like footages of everything in those videos, the upcoming videos, and then I'm gonna document the whole thing from start to finish, and we're gonna see the finished product, and we're gonna also decide what I'm gonna do with the property. Is it gonna be a rental, Airbnb, or is it a fix and flip? Or like, what are we gonna do with the property? Stick around to learn more, and I'm gonna share a lot more on Instagram and TikTok, so make sure you're following me on both. Let's go to closing. Woo! Hi family, so today was closing. I kind of teased you all a little bit. I wanted to put out this video, the video you already saw, or the part of the video you already saw. I wanted to put it out today, but I was so tired. I went out, we went out for closing. I came home. I'm super tired. I had to go take a shower, do my skincare, take care of my microblading. As you can see, I'm still not allowed to put on makeup, although I had some bright lipstick on, but I literally only put makeup on from like here and then a little bit of lip gloss. But anyway, stick around. I'm gonna have all of the details and all of the videos about the new property. We're still working on this property, my dream home. There's gonna be a lot more real estate content, a lot more every content. With that said, please stick around for the next few videos. If you haven't already joined the family, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Also, don't forget to hit the bell notification so you never miss another video. If you did like the video, please comment your favorite part down below, and also comment congratulations down below. Follow me on IG if you don't already follow me. I have a new IG page that I'm going to be sharing a lot of real estate stuff on, so follow me on there. Follow me on TikTok and follow me on Facebook. All right, thank you all again so much for your love and support. I love you all, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye.